Hey everyone, Dr. Justin Feldman here from Feldman Physical Therapy and Performance, and we're going to talk a little bit about how to fix your own plantar fasciitis. So there's a lot of information out there and a lot of products people will try and sell you, and gadgets, gizmos, different things to try and treat your plantar fasciitis. But really one of the biggest things with plantar fasciitis, or sort of that foot pain that you might get either along your heel or along your arch, is the idea that you're having this non-contractile tissue getting overloaded. And so the best way to go about fixing it is to actually strengthen your foot and improve the mechanics of your foot and your arch. So there's a lot of things out there. People try and give you braces. They'll try and give you socks that try and stretch it. People try and put inserts or orthotics in your shoes. Big problem with that approach is that it's all very passive. And so you put an orthotic in your shoe, you use it, you become dependent on the orthotic, but you don't actually make any of the structures around your foot stronger. And so that starts to make you need that orthotic or that insert even more. You become more dependent upon it, and you never really address the root cause of the problem. So we're gonna go through some exercises today, but before we do, real quick, we're doing our best here to try and grow the channel and give everybody some great content. So before we move into some of the exercises, pause for a second, go ahead, hit the like button down there, and so make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep all the content coming with information, try and keep everybody up to date on all the latest and greatest stuff. So here we go, we'll get right into some of the exercises. All right, so exercise number one, we got Kim here, our super foot model, and what we're gonna do is we are going to stretch your first toe, and we wanna stretch it up into extension. So you wanna find a pole, you can use a door jamb for this, and you're just gonna hold it there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold it there for about 2 minutes. So due to the modern magic of video here, we'll fast forward and go right into the next exercise we want you to do. You want to hold that for 2 minutes, a couple times a day. Now, next one is we're going to have Kim take her foot off there, and what she's going to do is she's just going to lift her big toe all by itself. And lift. And what we always tell everyone with this exercise is this is a good one to do sort of if you're sitting at your desk or standing up, and just sort of work on it. You just basically want to get good at it and make sure you have the ability to do that. And then you want to reverse it. So big toe stays down, all your other toes come up with that big toe staying planted. And what we're looking for here is just the ability to develop that strength. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to try and load that plantar fascia tissue. And so we got about a 4-inch step here with a towel over it. Kim's going to put her foot up on there, and she's going to get the towel kind of right on that ball of her toe, right around that first toe joint, and then she's going to balance. She's got this handy pole here to help her balance, so it's not a balance exercise. You're allowed to hold on, but we're going to go one leg, and she's going to go 3 seconds up, hold at the top, and then 3 seconds down. And you're going to go 3 up, there you go, hold, and then 3 down, nice and slow, as far down as she can get. What we're looking for is about 15 repetitions of this. And this is something we're shooting to try and get you to do daily. All these exercises, you want to try and repeat them daily. All right, so that's our demonstration of how you should go about trying to treat your own plantar fasciitis at home. Definitely give that a shot. See if that gives you some relief and helps out. It's definitely not something that works overnight, but it's a great way to address the root cause of the problem and help make sure it's not something that comes back and sort of bites you again later on down the road. Hope you found it all useful. Again, really appreciate everyone supporting the channel. Go ahead, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Still feels silly asking people to do that, but apparently it works and helps grow the channel. So lets us reach more people and help more people. So we'll play around and play the game they want us to. Enjoy.